good?
That's good.
Okay,
Just
now
make sure
what?
that her chin's going above the bar whenever you're doing it. All right, so now you guys are gonna hit the timer at the same time.
I'm gonna do yours.
So I'll count down the timer.
Which,
You guys hit it.
so I'm pressing the.
You just press that start timer button. Yeah, the flash.
Okay.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, hit it.
Okay. 13.
10, 9, 8, 7.
Which one am I going off? This one?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Good. All right,
So
we're
I'm going
close.
off this one.
Yeah, we're close. That's fine. We're close on. Okay.
5,
Yeah, I'd have to break those chest bars up in order to do that. That's a big set.
Good job, Renee.
19, 20, 21. Almost there, Renee. 23, 24. 24 in.
Come on, Renee.
25, 26, 27.
Yeah.
12. 13.
Good job, Renee.
Quick double, quick double. Up. 14. 15.
Good job.
Shake it off, back up, back up. 16.
You got it, Renee. Keep
Yeah.
going.
17. 18. 20.
Good job, Renee.
7 more, Renee. 7. 21. Singles, quick singles. 22. 23. 24.
Good job.
3 more. 1 more.
Go. Come on, let's go. Good job, Renee. Keep going. Good job, Renee.
I can't even. She's probably gonna finish this.
Good job, Renee. Keep going.
Good.
Good job, guys.
Good job, Renee.
4.
Good job, Renee.
Come on, Renee. Let's go. Let's go.
Good job, Renee. Love it.
Tomorrow, I bet you're right. 75, you do the whole thing? You get down to it?
6 more.
16.
Come on, Renee. 5 more.
17.
You're going to be hurt. 3 minutes.
team versus
Come on,
less than a
Renee.
minute.
Two.
Cronin beat him at that.
Come on, quick singles, Renee.
Huh? Maybe if that's all we have. Yeah, right? Weird.
Three.
Well,
Job, Renee!
the fastest until they validate it.
Four.
And then he shifted
Good
it.
job, Renee.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. He's still beating Milner by a little bit.
Ten more.
Like 40 seconds.
That's it, Renee. Come on. Seven. 8 more.
But he's going by like
8.
But Milner's
Get up there, Renee. No wasting time.
I came down.
Renee, let's go. All good reps. You're killing it. Good job. Job.
Renee!
Come on, Renee.
Back up, let's go.
Well.
What was that? Did Ashley want to do something 5? What was that?
Every time Renee goes down.
I was like thinking starting 3 sets at once.
14.
Go.
Three is good.
No, she's doing well.
Good job.
You're done.
Woo!
You're done.
This is it,
This is
Renee.
it. Go.
Done.
2,
There you go.
3,
Let's go.
4,
Come on, Renee.
5,
Come on.
6,
Come on, let's go.
7,
Nice job. Come on.
8,
One more.
Let's go.
9.